Gina Paulus here with Help Buddies. Today we're going to do a banded Y in a split stance. To do this movement, you want to have a band attached against something, and you'll have your loop on the end so that you can put your hand through it like a bracelet. From here, we're going to get into a split stance. I'm working my right arm, which means my left leg is in front. I'm holding my arm up to the side. I'm bringing it back in a Y shape toward my head in terms of how far back, but I'm staying wider. So I'll show from the front as well. We're here, and then pulling it back like that. As we're doing it, we want to try to feel this part of our back is what is doing the most work pulling our arm. You might find that it's actually too hard with the band and you're getting too much shoulder activity, and that you actually get more of the mid-back when you do it with no band. So that's an option too. Literally just working that range using gravity as your weight.